In this video we are going to make our first Python program and we are able to run it and see how everything works. My name is Saluja. I will teach you the basics of Python. So we will start by opening Pycharm. If you don't have Pycharm, you can watch my previous tutorial video in which I showed you how to install Python and Pycharm. The link will be in the description. I recommend you to install Pycharm rather than Visual Studio Code or basic Python ideally, because I will use Pycharm for my every single tutorial. So without wasting our time, let's jump right into it. So if you open Pycharm for the first time, it will tell you create a new project, but I will go to the file and select new project because I have already used the Pycharm. So yeah, you will prompted with this window if you're opening it for the first time. Just give it a name. I will name it Python tutorials. After naming it, you will be here in this window. You want to right click over to the folder. This is a folder that you created on the project. So you want to right click it and select new and select Python file. Give it a name. I will name it tutorial #1. Let me add a space here. Okay, so give it a name. So after creating that Python file, you can write code in it. So I will show you how to type the basic hello world program. So we will print something on the screen. So what I want to type is print, then open and close parentheses, then some quotation marks, and inside those quotation marks you can write anything you want. Like, okay, I will type it hello world. Okay, so this is our line of code. To run it, you have to click on the Python file tab and right click it and select run. You can also use Ctrl, Shift and F10. So now as you can see, it printed out the hello world. You can print out anything, like you say if you want to type this is my first Python program. So if you type this, it will type this exactly. So one thing I want to point out is that Python is case sensitive. Unlike HTML, which is not case sensitive, this is case sensitive. I will show you what I meant here. Let's say if I make lowercase p to uppercase p, Pycharm is already telling me it is wrong, but if I run it, it will give me an error. So it is case sensitive, the statements are case sensitive, but inside the quotation mark you can type anything you want. So make sure to use lowercase and uppercase depending upon the situation and statement. So now if I run this after correcting this, it will print out whatever we write inside the quotation marks. So that is it for today, guys. I hope you learned something good from me, and make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. If you don't like these videos, you can press that dislike button too, and you can also give me some suggestions to improve my video in the comment sections. So thank you guys for watching my second tutorial of Python. That's alright.